हेलो दोस्तों, आज हम क्लास 10 स्टैंडर्ड का चैप्टर नंबर 1 का सेकेंड लेक्चर डिस्कस करने वाले हैं, जिसमें डिस्कस करने वाले टॉपिक डिटर्मिनेंट। एंड दिस टॉपिक डिटर्मिनेंट इज अ पार्ट ऑफ एक्सरसाइज 1.3। 1.3 इज डिवाइडेड इनटू टू पार्ट। एक लेक्चर में हम डिटर्मिनेंट डिस्कस कर रहे हैं और सेकेंड लेक्चर में हम लोग क्रेमर्स रूल डिस्कस करेंगे। सो आज का लेक्चर का डिस्कशन पॉइंट है डिटर्मिनेंट, एंड इट इज़ वन ऑफ द इम्पॉर्टेंट चैप्टर for 11 12th oriented also. So understand this topic, which will help you for further standard also. So let's start with exercise 1.3 and understand the concept of determinant. अगर अब तक आपने हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो प्लीज सब्सक्राइब आवर चैनल। जिन लोगों ने सब्सक्राइब किया उनका धन्यवाद। So let's understand what is definition of determinant, and then we'll start with the question related with determinant. So what is determinant is, determinant is systematic arrangement of numbers. मतलब नंबर्स को एक प्रॉपर अरेंजमेंट में लिखेंगे. सो फॉर दैट वी रिफर टू राइट डाउन द नंबर्स इन रोज. सो व्हेन वी आर राइटिंग दिस नंबर्स 3 2 4 5, so this 3 and 2 consider as in a first row, and this 4 and 5 consider in a second row. So rows, we are arranging the numbers in rows. And if we check 3 and 4, they are arranged in column. Vertical line considered as column, and 2 and 5 arranged in second column. So these are the columns. So what is determinant is systematic arrangement of numbers in row and in column. So here we have 2 row and 2 column, and when we enclose them in 2 vertical line, then the arrangement which we get is called as determinant. So systematic arrangement of numbers in 2 rows and in 2 column enclosed between 2 vertical line consider as determinant. 10th स्टैंडर्ड में हमारे पास जो भी क्वेश्चन है उसमें 2 रो और 2 ही कॉलम है. We are not having more than 2 rows and 2 column. Higher standard में you will have question of 3 row 3 column, 4 row 4 column also. But 10th standard में we have to deal with only 2 row and 2 column. इसलिए मैंने definition में भी वो specify करवाया. So this is about the definition. Let's understand now how to find out answer of this determinant. So for finding answer of determinant, we'll copy our determinant as it is, and always start from left hand side top corner. Left hand side top corner and do diagonal multiplication. So left hand side top corner में है 3, उसका हम diagonal multiplication करेंगे. So 3 को हम 5 के साथ मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. डायगोनल मल्टीप्लिकेशन नहीं बोल के आप क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन भी बोल सकते हैं. सो इट्स ए टाइप ऑफ रेक्टेंगल, इसलिए मैं डायगोनल बोल रहा हूँ. सो वी आर राइटिंग 3 into 5 and then multiply another 2 element which is called as anti diagonal element. अब एंटी डायगोनल नहीं बोल के आप क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन याद रख सकते हैं. सो दैट इज 2 into 4, and in between them always minus sign. Always minus sign, हमेशा बीच में माइनस साइन ही होना है. And always keep in mind you have to start from left hand side top corner always. Then and then only whatever answer you are getting will be a correct one. So now 3 into 5 will multiply, that gives you 15, and 2 into 4 gives you 8, in between minus sign. So when we simplify, 15 minus 8 will be is equal to 7. So value of determinant we obtained as 7. And this is our question number 1 of exercise 1.3, which is the activity. तो मैंने इसको आपको explain कर दिया है. So with that we done with how to solve determinant, as well as we understand our first question of exercise 1.3, which is your activity. So let's understand some more questions related with the determinant. In a board exam, there is a fixed question depend on concept of determinant और क्रेमर्स रूल. 2 से 3 मार्क फिक्स इस एक्सरसाइज में से आते ही आते हैं. सो डिटरमिनेंट का कॉन्सेप्ट अगर आपको अच्छे से समझ गया, देन क्रेमर्स रूल बिकम वेरी इजी फॉर यू. So let's understand some more question related with the determinant from exercise 1.3, question number 2, textbook page number 73. So find the value of determinant. First question is, in first row, this is your first row. First row we have minus 1 and 7. Second row we have 2 and 4. We have to simplify value of this determinant. So as we discuss, always we copy the determinant and start from left hand side टॉप कॉर्नर, मतलब -1 से ही स्टार्ट करना है। -1 को आप डायगोनली मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे। सो -1 विल बी मल्टीप्लाइड विथ 4 डायगोनली। -4 को आपने 4 के साथ डायगोनली मल्टीप्लाई किया, and then we multiply 7 with 2. So multiply this 7 with 2, and in between we always write on minus sign. Don't forget to write on in between two brackets minus sign. So now answer for this -1 into 4 gives you -4, and answer of this 2 into 7 gives you 14, which में minus है, so we will write on -4 minus 14. So now -4 minus 14 gives you -18. So we are writing our final answer of determinant is -18. So we done with 1 marks. और sometime fraction या decimal रहा तो 2 mark के questions भी आते हैं. So it's easy concept. अच्छे से practice करें. Definitely थोड़ा सा mistake होने के chances रहते हैं. आप left hand side top corner से नहीं start करते हैं तो sometime sign mistake. Be careful of this. लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड एक्सरसाइज क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 में 3 सम है, हम तीनों डिस्कस करने वाले हैं सो दैट यू विल अंडरस्टैंड कॉन्सेप्ट। लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड सेकंड क्वेश्चन विच वी हैव 5 3 इन फर्स्ट रो, दिस इज योर फर्स्ट रो, एंड -7 and 0 in a second row. So let's start with simplification solution of this two. Always start from left hand side top corner, that is 5 multiply diagonally with 0. So we multiply 5 with 0 after copying the determinant. So 5 into 0. Then multiply another two elements, that is 3 into -7. 3 into -7. And in between we'll write on minus sign. So whenever we have negative number, be careful of that. Write on them in bracket so that we'll avoid mistake. Like this we multiply 3 into -7. तो -7 था तो उसको हमने ब्रैकेट में कॉपी किया. Now first bracket का आंसर 5 into 0 gives you 0, and 3 into -7 gives you -21. So in next step we'll write on 0 minus of -21. Now this minus into minus, this minus into minus when we multiply become plus. So we are writing 0 plus 21 is nothing but equal to 21. So we are getting answer of our determinant is 21. So we'll write our final answer. सो वन ऑफ द इजीएस्ट टॉपिक, बस क्रॉस मल्टीप्लीकेशन में थोड़ा सा ध्यान दें, प्लस माइनस का थोड़ा सा ध्यान दें, इट बिकम वेरी इजी फॉर यू टू अंडरस्टैंड द कॉन्सेप्ट. थर्ड क्वेश्चन हैविंग फ्रैक्शनल part in the question, so be careful now. So we'll start with the solution. Copy the determinant as it is, and always start from left hand side top corner and do diagonal multiplication. तो top corner में है 7/3, जिसको हम multiply करेंगे 1/2 के साथ, and multiply another two elements. इन दोनों को multiply करना है. So after multiplying 7/3 by 1/2, multiply another element, that is 5/3 by 3/2. अगर कुछ नंबर कैंसिल भी होते रहेंगे तो डोंट कैंसिल, कैंसिल एट द एंड व्हेन यू विल राइट डाउन योर फाइनल आंसर. जिससे कभी कभी डिनोमिनेटर सेम हो सकते हैं तो आपको मल्टीप्लिकेशन में या एडिशन सब्ट्रैक्शन में कोई डाउट नहीं आएगा. So now 7 multiply with 1, 7 1s are 7 and 3 2s are 6. Similarly multiply here, 5 3s are 15, 3 2s are 6. So first bracket का answer we get 7/6 and second bracket का answer we get 15/6, जिससे denominator भी same मिलेगा. So we are getting 7/6 minus 15/6. Now denominator, as we are observing, is same, so we can subtract numerator. So 7 minus 15 whole divided by 6. 7 minus 15 gives you -8 divided by 6. Now we can reduce this -8/6 further. So we'll write on -4/3 and we get our final answer as value of determinant is -4/3, and we done with the value of determinant. So 2 mark, 1 mark के question definitely from exercise 1.3 concept related with determinant. So these are the question from exercise 1.3 main question number 2. Let's understand one more question from main question number 1 of problem set, textbook page number 72. Question is of multiple choice question. Main question 1 का सब question number 3 है. Find the value of determinant. Out of this 4 option, we have to select the correct one. So let's start with the solution. Copy the determinant, and we all know how to simplify. Always start from left hand side, top corner, diagonal multiplication. So we'll multiply this 5 with minus 4 in first bracket, and then we multiply another two elements which are 3 will multiply with minus 7 in another bracket. So write down them, and in between two bracket always we are writing minus sign. Don't forget to write this. हमेशा minus sign ही आता है. So first bracket का आंसर है 5 into minus 4 is equal to minus 20, and answer of second bracket is 3 into minus 7 gives you minus 21, और बीच का minus as it is. So now this minus into minus gives you plus. So in next step we'll write on minus 20 plus 21, which gives you answer as 1. So if we check which option is the correct one, so we are getting option number D is our correct option. So with that we done with the concept of determinant. I hope आपको clearly समझ में आ गया है how to solve concept of determinant. It is one of the easiest topic and simple topic. So इसका practice करना बहुत ज़रूरी है. After doing the practice of this questions, how to find determinant, it's easy for us to understand the concept of Cramer's rule, because Cramer's rule is completely depend on determinant, and determinant is one of the important topic for the 11-12 standard also, for higher standard also. So इस determinant के concept को बहुत अच्छा से आपको practice करना है, difficult कुछ भी नहीं है. So practice it. In next lecture we meet and we continue with the determinant का concept, and after revising that determinant का concept we'll start with Cramer's rule, and in next lecture we'll complete Cramer's rule. So do practice. We'll meet in next lecture. Thank you.